Looking for a screen protector that truly guards your iPhone 11 Pro, XS, or X without compromising touch sensitivity? The Array Screen Protector offers premium 9H hardness tempered glass with a 3D round edge design, keeping your 5.8-inch display crystal clear and ultra-responsive. It's built to preserve your phone's original touchscreen accuracy, so every tap feels natural. What sets this screen protector apart is its durability against scratches, shocks, and impacts. Thanks to a hydrophobic oleophobic coating, it repels sweat, oil, and fingerprints, keeping your screen cleaner longer. No more smudges or greasy marks ruining your viewing experience, just smooth, clear protection that lasts. Installation is a breeze with the included guidance frame. You won't have to wrestle with dust, bubbles, or misalignment. Just a quick, one-push application and the protector lays down perfectly flat every time. Even if you're not tech-savvy, this design ensures a flawless fit without the frustration. Worried about compatibility with your phone case? Array's case-friendly design leaves enough room so the screen protector won't get pushed out by most cases. Just keep in mind it's not ideal for bulky battery cases with raised edges, but for standard cases, it's a perfect match. The package includes 3 screen protectors and 3 accessory kits, each with guide stickers, wet and dry wipes, and a cleaning cloth. Plus, the installation frame makes applying each protector quick and precise. Having extras means you're covered if you want to replace or share with family. Users in the United States praise how easy it is to apply and how well it works. One reviewer noted no bubbles or issues after installation, highlighting the straightforward process and reliable protection. This kind of feedback shows you're getting a product that delivers exactly what it promises. If you're tired of screen protectors that don't fit right or leave fingerprints all over, Array offers a solid solution. It's designed to keep your iPhone screen safe without sacrificing clarity or touch sensitivity. That balance makes a real difference in everyday use. Worth a look if you want hassle-free installation and durable protection for your iPhone 11 Pro, XS, or X. Try Array's screen protector when you're ready to upgrade your phone's defense without the usual headaches.